Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby cap designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive and most amazing collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet baby cap designs and others like crochet baby frock designs, romper designs, sandals, slipper and shoes designs, crochet woman cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, long dresses, bodycon dresses, skirt designs, top designs, crochet poncho designs, caplet, cap shawls, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, sweater designs, crochet jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also. Feet jewelry like crochet baby anklet designs, woman anklet designs, many more things also. Try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video.